Hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Wanted to share a quick story with you. When I was a young guy, probably 17 years old, I worked in a department store, and my boss, really he was more than a boss, he was a real mentor and friend to me. He was always talking about retirement and how he's looking forward to it. He had really put off, doing a lot of activities, going places with his wife and kids, vacations, all kinds of things. And so he really was waiting for that day. In fact, he had kind of a countdown, 541 days till retirement. And we used to do it with him, you're down to 321 days. Well, at the end of the story here, when he got to be about 3 or 4 months before retirement, my boss developed brain cancer and passed. So he never got to retirement to do all those things he wanted to do. It was a real shame. He was a great guy. I never forgot that. And in running our cleaning business together, Tony and I tried to remember this. Couple disclaimers. I am not a perfect example. I'm not of how to do this. I'm just a person trying to do it too. And secondly, I understand what I'm about to tell you isn't easy. It just isn't. But when you hear yourself or you hear others saying things like, the first thing I'm going to do is just focus completely on this business, or in our case, this cleaning business, 100% of my time and attention, and I'm going to make it successful and very profitable, and then I'll get back to those other things. So it's as if when it comes to maybe relationships or activities and time with family or health, exercise, health, vacations, I'll put those things on a shelf. And then when I'm done accomplishing this big goal, no matter how long that takes, then I'll come back and I'll feel better because the business will be running well, we'll be making more money, I'll be more calm, it'll be easier. I'll be in a better frame of mind to do those other things. The reality is, as you know, and I know too, is you can't really put you can't put important parts of your life completely on a shelf. Now, I also realize that running a cleaning business, any business, is an important thing. This is your livelihood. So this isn't always 9 to 5, and it's not always Monday through Friday. I get that. Tony and I realized and experienced that very same thing. But at the same time, it's an important thing to remember, isn't it? And it's an important thing for me to remind myself that trying to balance our lives is an important thing. Trying to, integrate in a healthy way, give time for each of these important things, like our family, like our business, like our health. That's a goal. That's an important goal that we need to remember, so that we don't wake up one day in 5 years and go, yeah, we have a very successful business, but I've neglected my family, neglected my health, neglected activities. We don't want to wake up and say, oh, because our health is not guaranteed all the time, and the future is not guaranteed regarding relationships and finances. All kinds of things are beyond our control. So unfortunately, this is the challenge we all face. It ain't easy. This is a difficult thing, but it's one of the most important things I think that we need to remember, and I'll remember it too, and I'm encouraging you to, and hopefully we'll do a good job along the way. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.